Hi, my name is Luis Tanta. I'm going to talk about animals.
The cow. 1,
Cows can produce milk.
2,
Cows can be milked.
3,
Cows can eat pasture.
4,
Cows can have horse.
the donkey. 1,
Donkeys can be used to carry heavy objects.
2,
Donkeys can be obstinate.
3,
Donkeys can live up to 35 years.
4,
Donkeys can breed with horses and zebras.
the tiger. 1,
Tiger can enjoy water.
2,
Some tiger can be tamed.
3,
Tiger can be found mostly in India.
4,
Tiger can run very fast.
the dog. 1,
Dog can bark.
2,
Dog can be a very good companion.
3,
Dog can learn tricks.
4,
Dog can sneak very good.
the elephant. 1,
Elephant can live up to 70 years.
2,
Elephant can be tamed.
3,
Elephant can have a good memory.
4,
Elephant can weigh 5 tons.